In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Outlook account. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're signed into the account you want to remove or close. It's important to double-check that you're working with the correct account before making any changes, because deleting or closing an account can affect your access to email, contacts, calendar items, and other Microsoft services connected to it. Once Outlook is open, look for your profile icon. This is usually located near the top area of the screen. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. From there, select the option that takes you to your account information, usually labeled as Your Info. This section gives you access to the main settings and management options for your Microsoft account. After you're in the account information area, look for the option to close your account. When you click this, you'll be taken to a page that explains what happens when your account is closed. Take your time here and read everything carefully. This part is important because Microsoft will usually explain what data, subscriptions, or services may be impacted if you continue. For example, you may lose access to your emails, files, or other tools connected to that account. If you're sure you want to move forward, follow the prompts shown on your screen. These prompts are there to confirm your identity and make sure you understand the consequences of closing the account. In some cases, you may be asked to review a checklist, acknowledge certain warnings, or confirm that you've handled anything important linked to the account before continuing. As you go through the process, read each screen slowly and carefully. Don't rush, especially if the account is connected to anything you still use. If there's anything important in the mailbox, it's a good idea to save or back it up before completing the closure process, because once the account is fully closed, recovering information may be difficult or no longer possible. After you finish following the on-screen instructions, Microsoft will process the account closure request. In some cases, there may be a waiting period before the account is permanently deleted, so keep that in mind, and that's how to delete an Outlook account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.